thought I'd vlog my multitasking skills for you. First of all, showing off our beautiful Christmas tree. Second of all, drinking my gallon of water. Third of all, hula hooping, because I do it every day. It's kind of just like a discipline thing. Like, it's super easy to do now, but I like to do it. It's fun, and I have done it every day since, shoot, whenever that challenge was that I first posted on YouTube.
Up on my waist, people! Hey, yeah, keep it. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Stay up, Mom. You gotta do it. Stay up. It's going down. Mom, you gotta stay doing it. It's going down.
It's not you, it's me.
I've done it every day. Probably, maybe missed like 2 or 3 days since then. Otherwise, I do it every single day. It's fun. You guys should try it. And then I'm gonna be folding laundry, and then I don't know. Probably I was thinking about, I don't know, painting the stairwell. Something. I guess you guys will find out. And also, since I don't need to use my hands to catch my hula hoop all the time or whatever, I usually use this time to be productive on social media, or like in this case, and this time of year, I am editing Vlogmas most of the time when I'm hula hooping. So just know that the video that you're watching, yesterday's video, was being edited while I was hula hooping. Had the tree dudes, well, the neighbors had the tree dudes finally come out, and they took care of that tree that had broke. Not this last storm a couple days ago or last week, but like the storm from like hey, look. Yeah, it's windy today. Super not cool. Okay, guys. Fun fact, I don't like the wind. I guess who does, right? Go potty, Scoobert. Anyway, cool beans. Tree gone. Hopefully no more foliage. Angie got to choose what was for lunch today. What did you choose for lunch?
Egg, meat, and toasted bread.
Awesome.
And it tastes delicious.
A delicious egg sandwich.
And don't forget, bake this and it'll taste delicious, guys. And chips.
And chips. Don't forget about the chippies. What do you think, Gracious?
My favorite, yummy. Me too.
Egg sandwiches are the best.
Angie makes a pretty good team.
That's right. We all make a pretty good team, huh? Here, let's pound it. Yeah, pound it. Yeah, pound it.
My hands are greasy.
Oh my gosh, disgusting. Look at the grease on my knuckles. Ew.
I'm gonna try this again. Guys, I was gonna make a Christmas elephant that's green. That's green. I need to. No. There you go, little Christmas elephant. Now let's see. What should I make next? Oh, I need to make my green teddy bear. Can I use this? Yeah. Hey guys, look at my little red ducky. See it? And open it! You're like kidding. And give me it. And here's my horsey. Yes, and I know it's cool. Actually, I'm not making a house. I'm making some kind of white thingy that's something. This roller. Remember, if you have the knife, you can just mash. Okay, I found some gray Play-Doh. Gray. Oh yeah, the black. Oh, this is dark blue. Gray Play-Doh. We don't need that Play-Doh. I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, I made it myself. Not keep it, but I made it. I used black and white. For this? Mm-hmm. Now make it together. Yeah, black and white with pencils made that too. Gideon, not with your foot. I know. I'm trying to make it fat. But if I make it very fat, I need a roller. On the back of his car. I'm making no, and I'm making the eyes. I need white. The eyes this color. Daddy, you're back. We made a couple colors. We made one color red, and I'm making some ice. You should have ran to the grocery store.
Well, we just started listening at the same time.
Dad, I wish we had 3 Play-Doh three boxes of Play-Doh, so we all could have our own things, like our own. But we need to wait from our own Play-Doh because they're mixed together.
Yeah.
So I should sit there and Angie should sit there and Rachel should sit Robbie there. I mean, I'm making some kind of milk size. I need a roller. Guys, look at my butterfly. Oh, it's really pretty. Thank you for the eyes. They're big. Daddy, butterfly.
Oh, neat, babe. That's cute.
Mommy.
Oh, wow. That is so cute. Good job.
Thank you. I had to take a wire for the little antennas.
Yeah.
Did I hear my nose? The nose right here and the eyes is right here. The nose and the eyes. And they're stitched together.
I love that.
But it kind of looks like a heart. Yeah.
Oh, sure enough it does. That is so cute.
I did a heart. Oh, no, that's pretty. Christmas lights. No, that's are an animal for Easter. Thank you for teaching. Thank you, Mommy. This is good. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. You're welcome. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. You want it in your
You're so good.
Yep. Maybe I should make.
Thanks, Mommy.
Here's a. Oh, I thought that was a unicorn.
You're the best. What is it?
It's a fish.
Because you give us so good stuff. So.
Well, I'll make it Christmassy, whatever it is.
What is this?
I'll make it. I'm gonna make it. You can use this as like a stamper.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mama.
You're so cute.
Thanks.
I just can't get over how cute you guys are. Stare at you all day long.
Mom, do you have an idea what this is?
Looks like an elephant to me.
What? Bunny.
Do you flip it over for me?
This is what it looks like when it's Play-Doh.
It totally looks like an elephant. Where's the
It's a
one that
baby
you said is an
elephant.
elephant? Where's the other one that looks like an elephant? Stamp, I mean.
Oh, stamp.
Yeah, I bet it's a baby elephant. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I bet it's a baby elephant.
Mom, I wish I could put this on my chin. Oh! I got an idea of what I should make. If you guys have an idea what I should make, then comment down below. But I have colors in mine. Oh my god. Ray? I need yellow. Ow. Yeah, I need yellow. Again. Give me again. Hey, look at my feet. Maybe. Mom. Look at this pig. Cheese avocado. Avocado frosting on the cake. Ta-da. This is a hat. You made a hat. I made a beard. I made a white beard.
Oh my god.
I made a
Santa!
I made a beard
for kids.
Hey, I made a beard.
Oh, you go goatee, I got
I'm gonna look in the mirror. Can I go look in the mirror?
It's for Christmas.
Ah, my beard. I do have a beard.
You're a fraud.
Huh?
You're a fraud.
Every people that dresses up like Santa is a roller because I need it. Oh wow! I need a roller. It's that roller thingy.
Booger.
Oh, yes! A big booger.
So I got it right?
Yeah.
I did winner?
Yeah. You get a reward, Mom. It's a hot dog. Or you could have this cute little elephant.
I picked the elephant.
Okay.
It's cuter.
Okay.
That's a nasty looking hot dog.
Oh, look, guys. I looks like a little princess. Look, Angie, I made Laura. You're for me. Because she is beautiful. Another mustachio. Hey! I need a roller again. I need a roller. Give me the roller. Give me. I made a corn.
Corn on the cob. Delicious.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Yep. And then you watching my heart. I can't reach it.
Let's see, what day is it?
15. There.
Nope.
No, that's 22. No, that's 17.
Don't freak out.
There we go.
15. No,
That
that's 15.
Oh, it's marble.
You get to play with whoever, and I get to play with Batman.
Okay, fine.